If you're thinking about replacing your windows, choosing the right company is just as important as choosing the right windows. That's where Windows Jennings comes in. Homeowners across the area have discovered why this trusted company stands out, and how working with them can make the window replacement process smoother, easier, and more rewarding. Here's a look at the top benefits of choosing Windows Jennings for your home. Exceptional product quality. One of the biggest advantages of working with Windows Jennings is the high quality of their window products. They offer energy-efficient windows built to withstand the elements while keeping your home comfortable all year long. These windows help reduce drafts, maintain indoor temperature, and even lower your energy bills. Whether you prefer classic or modern designs, their windows combine style with durability, giving you long-lasting value for your investment. Professional installation. A great window is only as good as its installation. Windows Jennings takes pride in providing skilled, professional installation services. Their experienced installers handle every step with care, ensuring a tight, secure fit. This means fewer air leaks, better energy efficiency, and a clean, finished look. You can feel confident that your windows will perform exactly as they should, thanks to expert workmanship. Local experience and trust. Windows Jennings has built a strong reputation in the community. As a locally operated company, they understand the climate, building codes, and style preferences in the area. Their commitment to customer service has earned them the trust of many homeowners. When you work with a local business like Windows Jennings, you're partnering with people who genuinely care about their neighbors and stand behind their work. Customized solution. Every home is unique, and so are its window needs. Windows Jennings offers a wide range of customizable options, from window styles to frame materials and glass packages. Their team will help you choose the best solutions for your specific goals, whether it's enhancing curb appeal, improving ventilation, or maximizing energy efficiency. You're not just getting a one-size-fits-all window, you're getting something tailored to your home. Great value for your budget. Many homeowners worry that upgrading windows will break the bank, but Windows Jennings offers fair, competitive pricing. They focus on providing excellent value, quality products, and professional installation at reasonable rates. Plus, the energy savings from efficient windows can help offset the initial investment over time. It's an upgrade that makes financial sense. Hassle-free process. Replacing windows might feel overwhelming, but Windows Jennings makes it easy. From the first consultation to the final installation, their team guides you through every step. They'll answer your questions, explain options in simple terms, and keep you informed along the way. No pushy sales tactics or confusing contracts, just straightforward, honest service. Peace of mind. When you invest in your home, you want to feel confident it's protected. Windows Jennings stands by their work with warranties on products and labor. If you ever have a problem, you know exactly who to call, and you can trust they'll make it right. That level of support brings peace of mind long after the windows are installed. In the end, choosing Windows Jennings means more than just getting new windows. It means investing in a company that values quality, service, and community. You'll enjoy a smoother experience, beautiful results, and a more comfortable, energy-efficient home. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, Windows Jennings is a smart choice that you and your family can feel good about for years to come.